So you may have just picked up your magic trackpad and you might be trying to figure out how to use it. Luckily for you, it's a very basic process to kind of understand. There's not really anything super insane to go and kind of understand with this, to be honest. The first thing to understand is that you do have this glass trackpad at the very front. So this is a multi-touch trackpad. This will allow you to go ahead and use all sorts of gestures. You can swipe up and down pages. You can zoom in like this. You can customize it further in your Mac settings, which is really cool. So this is where you're going to do everything. I'd recommend keeping this thing clean. Sometimes I have random stuff on it, random smudges, and it kind of interferes with it, so I would recommend wiping it down every once in a while. The left side doesn't really have anything, the right side doesn't have anything, and the bottom doesn't have anything. The top is where you get that charging port. So at the top you have a few things to understand. One, this is like your little antenna band. So this is basically how it goes out and kind of wirelessly connects to your Mac, so make sure it doesn't cover this up. You have your USB Type-C cable. So this is where you can go through and actually not only charge up your Mac or charge up your Magic Trackpad, so you can plug it in like this and charge it up, but you can also connect it to other devices super easily just by going through and just connecting it like this. So you can go through, plug this thing in just like this right here, and go and plug it into your PC, and it will automatically connect like that too, which is super convenient. Now on top of that, you'll also have your little switch right there as well. So this switch is basically your power button. So if you want to power on your trackpad, you can just click on it like that, and that will allow you to go ahead and power on your Magic Trackpad. If you see that green icon, that means it's on. If you want it off, you can just click right there and it'll turn off. Now on the back side, you will just have your standard Apple logo. You'll have your feet right here, so you can go and just leave it somewhere. And that's it. That's really all you really need to understand about your trackpad. So if you ever want to reconnect it or connect it to your Mac, just plug it in, and that's basically the main way to do it. So that is kind of how you use a Magic Trackpad. There's not really too many crazy things to understand here, and it's a pretty basic accessory to kind of use. So that's pretty much how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.